So we're out here at the Awakino River through the gorge. Just gonna be fishing through there today. It's got a bit of a river over here. We'll go check it out first. We've got my spinning rod. He's got his. He's running braid. I'm running nylon. He's gonna be soft bait and I'm gonna be spinning. So set my rod up and we'll go down here. Guys, going over there. A little bit of water. Got a pink soft bass stick on. We'll go see if we can get anything. Nice little river here. It's a bit shallow. See if we can spot one first before we go hit it. Let's go. First cast. He's just casted out by that tree over there. Got a bit of a soft bait. Soft bait going. Cody's just had to get his lure out of a log. Really good. Gonna hit this spot now. It's a pretty nice corner. It's a good day. It's a good day. Let's go. I'm gonna have some casts off this little thing I found. Oh. Might have been, yeah, it's a fish. Yeah, I have the little one. Yeah, little is. Real little. So little. See that? Yeah. Real little one. I think I've caught on this little. Would you check it for me? Nice little rainbow. Nice little female. Let's get a release on him. Yeah. Alright. First little trout. Let's keep going. Cody said he'll fish this one. So you'll hit it. It's got a little pink soft bait on still. The next spot, nice corner. Holy fuck! It was ripping it. Just caught a real little one. Way little. It's a bit crazy. I'll get him unhooked. We got him unhooked. Let's get him back in the water. Come on, buddy. See ya.